Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mushkil Asan. Today we'll show how to set up Amazon Echo Dot. Now we'll plug the Echo Dot using a power adapter.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Now select Alexa app from your mobile and select on more options. Then press on add a device and select Amazon Echo. Then select Echo Dot option, and we have to allow location of the device. We'll try by connect by Bluetooth. If connection fails, we can try by Wi-Fi option. We'll select Amazon from available networks.
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
Now your Echo Dot is successfully connected. Now we have to select the desired language for Alexa.
Hello, I'm Alexa. It's lovely to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this: Alexa, how's the weather?
Alexa, how is the weather?
In Kolkata, it's 25 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies.
If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe.